bench was pleased to affirm the order passed by the learned single judge directing counting of service rendered in delegating school for the purpose of calculating the total service period of the employee. Stop. In the instant case, admittedly, the later service period of the petitioner served in the sponsored institution was taken into consideration for grant of pensionary benefit, but the period during which the petitioner served in the delegating institution was found to be not acceptable. Stop. The act of the authority appears to be contrary to the government order 1988 as mentioned herein above and contrary to the law laid down by the court in the matters referred to herein above. Stop. Next, in view of the above, the where is 22nd February 2017 impugned memo? So ill prepared you are. Where is that memo?
20?
Your prayer, it mentions about 22nd of February 2017.
Yes, 55.
In view of the above, the impugned. This is not an order. I seek your specific observation disposed of. Has any decision been taken by the authority rejecting your case?
Yes, page 93.
53?
Page 93.
93.
I move the writ petition. Read court passed an order directing the authority to take a decision. So the decision has been taken. 92 is the order start.
Where is the communicating letter? What is the date of this order?
Date of this order, my lord.
From the DI. TPPG.
What is your date, minister?
According to the report, my lord, he is entitled pensionary benefit, my lord, from
The pension sanctioning authority is directed
19th August 1997 to
calculate the pension payable in favor of the petitioner by taking into account his service rendered in the delegating schools and in the sponsored school. Stop. The pensions at the earliest, but positively within a period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order, and forward the papers pension file of the petitioner to the DPPG for preparation of the pension payment order in his favor. Stop. PPO shall be issued without any further delay. Disposed.
Each all detail.
53, I am hearing for the petitioner. The petitioner herein seeks for compassionate appointment. The father of the petitioner was working in a primary school and had passed away, page 23, on 10th of June 2023.
Is it pending consideration?
Yes, my lord. What
Where?
has happened is, my lord, the application which was made in a format was sent to the DI primary schools, to the DI secondary schools. I have got the documents with me, my lord. And later on, my lord, the DI primary school has also sent it to the DI secondary school has also sent it to the School Service Commission for appropriate recommendation. I have got, during the pendency of this, my lord, I have received this, my lord. My lord, these are the,
What is the instruction?
No, I have not received any instructions from the.
this first one.
Please come. The petitioner seeks compassionate appointment. His father died in harness on 10th June 2023. And he applied for appointment on 20th of January 2025. Paragraph, the instant writ petition was filed alleging inaction on the part of the respondent authorities to process his application seeking compassionate appointment. Paragraph, learned advocate representing the petitioner submits that during pendency of the instant writ petition, the District Inspector of Schools, the Secretary, Purva Mendipur District Primary School Council and the District Inspector of Schools, Primary Education, Purva Mendipur, forwarded the prayer of the petitioner.
This amendment is there in my writ petition, but this was not annexed. Yes, it is there in my writ petition at paragraph
forwarded the application of the petitioner
7
to the Secretary, Purva Mendipur District Primary School Council and the District Inspector of Schools. To the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Purva Mendipur.
Yes.
For appointment as Group C in any secondary or higher secondary school. Stop. The DI Secondary Education, Purva Mendipur, thereafter forwarded the file of the petitioner to the Secretary, West Bengal Regional School Service Commission, Western Region, Bankura, in August 2025. Stop. The issue is currently pending with the Regional School Service Commission, Western Region. Stop paragraph. The very purpose of providing compassionate appointment is for tiding over the immediate financial crisis faced by the family on the death of the breadwinner. Stop. In the instant case, the application of the petitioner was forwarded to the Commission in August 2025. Stop. There is no response from the Commission till date. Stop. Keeping in mind the urgent requirement of disposing of applications seeking compassionate appointment, the instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the West Bengal Regional School Service Commission
But I see that, my lord, the West Bengal Central School Service Commission is party.
But right now it will be done by the regional authority. School Service Commission to take a decision on the petitioner's prayer in accordance with law.
Lord, it is suggested that, my lord, the candidature has been put in the live register.
That I can see your name has been registered in the live register. So now
Yes, and
possibly
forwarding
the
steps for
prerequisite
recommendations.
has to be done. কি বললাম?
The petitioner is an ST candidate.
When the petitioner's prayer in accordance with law.
Prayer seeking compassionate appointment in accordance with law at the earliest. ঠিক আছে? Leave is granted, paragraph 8, to the learned advocate on record of the petitioner to implead the West Bengal Regional School Service Commission, Western Region, Bankura, and its secretary as party respondents in the instant writ petition.
In course of tomorrow, my lord, he is not present today, my lord.
In course of tomorrow.
Grateful.
ঠিক আছে? Let a copy of the writ petition be served in the office of the added respondents for added respondents at the time of communicating the order of the court for immediate compliance. ঠিক আছে?
My lord is directing the School Service Commission to forward the or my affidavit also kept up.
Yes.
Grateful, my lord.
Madam for the petition. But this is that matter, my lord, where the teacher, my lord, met with an accident, and my lord, thereafter, my lord, what happens? He could not attend the school. He intimated the entire incident, my lord, to the authority, the school authority. But suddenly, my lord, after the school authority, after receiving every of these communications, intimated the petitioner that his salary will be started to be deducted, and some salary have been, my lord, made in excess he was supposed to get. So challenging, my lord, that notification have come before this honorable court. And my lord, my salary
There was
was,
direction upon the school
I tell you,
to
lordship,
prepare and circulate a
Yes.
report. Has that been done?
that has been done, yes. So my lord, in this meantime, on the earlier date when this matter was taken up, the school, my lord, took a stand that they did not get the service book back from the previous schools. So my lord, I said on that particular date that you did not even want the service book from me. I am no one to give the service book anyways because it is there in the previous school. They said that we did. So my lord was of the opinion that you intimated him or asked for the service book before the salary deduction. Where is that document? To annex that document in the report. They could not, because they have just given one letter addressing to me, but your lordship will not find, my lord, any receipt of the letter. So it is never given on me. So my lord, now situation stands that I am, my lord, with lesser number of, my lord, my salary is right now not being paid in full. 5 months, my lord, entire salary was deducted. The individual, my lord, cannot, even today cannot stand, my lord. He has to work with a crutch. So be that as it may, my lord. Now, prayer before your lordship was that if this particular, because on the earlier occasion, my learned senior Ms. Bhattacharya, my lord, for the board also said that for the leave, they also wanted to have the leave record from the school, which also, my lord, the school did not forward to them, but straightway followed, my lord, to deduct my entire salary. One page.
Here, what the board.
One page, if your lordship kindly sees, which is at page number 86.
You had liberty to file an exception. Why has that not been done?
I've done.
Give.
Yes, I'm sorry.
How do I know? You
I'm so
keep
sorry.
it with you. Where is the report? Where is the school?
And for the state, your lordship.
You're for the school.
State.
State. Where is the school? So many advocates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 councils, and today nobody's present. Yes.
Well, we have asked the managing committee of the school to take a resolution,
Present
And-
school.
present school, and forward all the documents to us so that the leave period of 353 days can be regularized with pay, without pay, whatever it comes from the school. But well, the TIC of the school in 9th September, your lordship, 15th September informed us that the service book and other documents regarding his leave, which we have
Nothing is there with the school.
the acts from the petitioner have not been supplied to them. So that is the last instruction from the school we got. Until and unless we get a resolution,
And my lord, there has been further
Then the school will have to sanction the leave.
there has been further development in this manner after getting the copy of this writ petition, because the writ petition also served on the DI. The previous school has given the service book now.
To whom?
My lord, to the petitioner before your lordship. Now,
So you hand it over to the
but could I do this, my lord? If
yes,
To me, it has to be the school.
to the school.
I would do that, my lord.
Otherwise,
During
without
the
your
pendency of
service,
this litigation, because
Anjanan
one thing, if I
appears.
just could, I'm so sorry. One thing, if I just could take your lordship to page number 86 once. Because if they do not have the service book, if they do not have the leave records, nothing with them, so how could my lord they issue this 86?
No, but then admittedly now you have your own service book.
I do.
And
No, my lord, now this entire salary they said 86, that my entire lordship kindly sees this 353 যে ছুটি নিয়েছেন and সব is অনুমোদিত
hmm,
অনুমোদিত, sorry. মানে
page 86.
yes, madam.
হ্যাঁ 350 দিন ছুটি নিয়েছেন, সমস্ত ছুটি অনুমোদিত।
It would be
অনুমোদিত, not
unsanctioned.
whatever.
Unsanctioned, so অনুমোদিত. So সমগ্র
And it is
Is overdrawn.
overdrawn amount.
straightforward, no show cause, nothing before this, and it would not be
হ্যাঁ
paid.
লিখুন তো Nana appears on behalf of this school staff. The report directed to be filed by the school has not been filed. However, as a copy of the report was forwarded to the learned advocate for the petitioner, exception by the petitioner filed in court is taken on record. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the earlier school who gave you this service book,
Yes.
the earlier school or the DI,
No, earlier school.
that the earlier school where the petitioner was serving has forwarded his service book to the petitioner
Yes, after getting the copy of the petition.
after receiving a copy of the writ petition. Stop. Paragraph. Let the service book of the petitioner be submitted by the petitioner in his present school.
Madam.
Stop. The school managing committee is directed to take a decision on the period of absence by the petitioner. Stop. Next. Let the report of the school be formally placed before this court on the adjourned date. Stop. The resolution of the school managing committee as regards the leave of the petitioner shall also be placed on the adjourned date. Released for further consideration on 23rd of March 2026.
Grateful, man. Well, since my lord, new facts will be coming, my lord, if I could take
All
the
right.
exception.
Leave is granted to the petitioner. How can new facts come in?
Because
The other one was certainly affirmed one.
my lord, the resolution lordship said that they will be
Resolution,
discussing the
let it come thereafter. If you want to file supplementary,
very well.
then it is
Very well,
different.
very well.
But right
My lord,
now,
could
nothing.
I just request your lordship, if subject to correction of my learned senior friends here, could be disposed of by directing any higher authority to my lord look into these claims?
First,
Very
the
well. School authority should come. Very
authority of first instance will be the school.
Very well. Very well. Grateful, man. Stamp of the board.
The district inspector of will also kindly see the last order, then I make my submission.
The state present.
State is necessary party, my lord, is
Okay.
I pass the order, page 21.
The district inspector of a school will not issued an order.
It's the state.
Will also kindly not do one thing. Not I have got information that the nearby 4 school, there is work education post in Bengal medium are vacant. So this problem can be sorted out in this way. If any of this Bengali medium school Lord, my services has been placed, and
You please get hold of the learned advocate representing the state. All right.
Devapura Chatterjee,
Yeah, I
make
can
it not
see.
today. Then make it not today.
All right, not today.
I will, Lord, inform him.
Lord, item number 56, I am for the petitioner, my lord. On the last occasion, your lordship has directed to call for a report from the state, my lord. This is regarding the widower has come before your lordship regarding the interest on the death gratuity, my lord.
56.
State.
56 is Abhijit Mondal.
56 পাপিয়া চৌধুরী আমি কি ভুল করলাম হ্যাঁ
Abhijit Mondal is 56.
Where is the state?
My lord, state is supposed to file the report today before your lordship.
Nobody is present. I'm adjourning it. Bring your learned friend. Not today.
Well, last occasion,
And
Lord,
for
sir,
the
please to
President
call
of the
for
Pension
report from
Committee.
the concerned area school. What is the report?
Please give.
Well, I from the respondent president of the managing committee, my lord, the dispute can be resolved. I have a proposal to your lordship. My lord, because my lord, it's an interest about the interest of the school.
Serve the copy, Lordship.
May I just say, my lord, it can be resolved. Because I had talked with my clients. My lord, apparently,
Lordship, matter regarding to ask
Make
for
submission,
Yes.
we can hear.
lordship is reading, that's why. Apparently, there is one alleged anomaly between the TIC and the president, my lord. My lord, we do not stand in the way from composition of the new managing committee. Well, let the fresh managing committee be conducted, no problem. State authority may form the managing committee. Till then, my lord, this managing committee function because various complaints are coming because the pension papers are not being ready. Salaries are not being disbursed to the authorities.
What does the report say?
Well, the report says, my lord, here the, my lord, the person, my lord, Sutapa Das was my combined nominated president, which is at page 6 of my report. And my lord, DI concerned, DI, my lord, issued a letter, upon my lord, directing upon my lord, deputy, my lord, director school education for my lord, calling for my lord for the verification process should be done my lord 11th March 2025.
Yes.
But thereafter, what is happened, my lord? The person, my lord, the private respondent hearing, my lord,
The asked file.
erstwhile, here he did
Not
not,
asked for.
it did not appear, which is page, my lord, 7. My lord, first
Lordship,
paragraph,
kindly make
I'm
it-
reading. I beg to state that the nominated president, PIE and above mentioned school were called for document verification process on 11/3/2025. On the day nominated president, namely Sutapa Das and PIE 1 Konika Ghosh had submitted the proper document, whereas Monjula Ghosh nominated PIE 2 remain absent on that day. My lord, deliberately, my lord, is ignoring my lord to my lord hand over the charge upon the new president.
No, the managing committee has not been formed yet, possibly. Subject to correction, it has not been formed.
Where was the report
Um,
filed by the Additional District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education,
Toilet
Sriram
person.
Subdivision, Hooghly.
it can
Where
be
from it
completed.
appears that there is a deadlock in the management of the school for which honorarium of various contractual staff has been stopped
And the pension also, my lord.
since February 2025. Stop. 18 years benefit of teachers, comma, sanction of leave, comma, unhygienic condition of the school
Yes.
due to non-payment of sweepers.
Yes, my lord. Because the TIC did not conduct the
are
meeting.
highlighted. Stop.
May I just say one thing, my lord?
Government published books are lying on the floor of the classroom instead of the same being arranged and preserved in the interest of the students. Stop. The teacher in charge, that is the writ petitioner herein, went on medical leave without any message to the controlling authority or without a resolution being adopted by the managing committee. Stop. The pension file of retired teacher is yet to be settled.
Yes.
Stop. In the interest of the student and all the staff of the school, the existing managing committee took a decision to change the existing teacher in charge, the petitioner herein, and resolved to appoint one Srimati Kobita Mahato as new teacher in charge by adopting resolution in the meeting dated 21st of January 2026. Stop.
To report.
The petitioner is yet to hand over charge to the new TIC, Srimati Kobita Mahato. Stop. Next. Let a copy of the report be circulated to all the parties.
Also, can I make it?
Stop. To allow the learned advocate for the petitioner to come ready with proper instruction, release the writ petition for further consideration when
Monday or after 10, Lordship. Next,
after
10 March.
10
Or Lordship,
March.
next Monday.
Because coming forward.
He's contested election, Lordship, is out of town right now. But Monday he will be there.
Monday he'll be here. Monday means
Monday was
the 23rd of February.
23rd.
He'll be here. 23rd.
23rd. Well, the situation should be developed in the school.
Next.
একটা কপি দেবেন আমাকে একটা কপি কপিটা লর্ডশিপ বলেছেন সার্কুলেট করতে কি একটা কপি দেন আমাকে লর্ডশিপ বলেছেন সার্কুলেট করতে
My lord, may I hand over a copy?
To all the parties.
My lord. Only copy?
আমি স্যার
My lord, affidavit in opposition has been filed in respect of on behalf of the respondent number 8 and 9. Time to file reply, my lord.
Who are you representing?
Petitioners, my lord.
Petitioners.
Yes, my lord.
Respondent numbers 8 and 9 must be private respondents. What about the primary respondents? Did they file any opposition?
Yes, yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
My lord, we have. What about your reply to that? Has reply been filed to your opposition? No.
No, my lord.
No, my lord, we have not received it.
It is ready, my lord. To the SSC, we will file reply.
I stand corrected. We have received the reply to our opposition.
Yes, my lord.
All right. Affidavit in opposition by the state.
To my learned friend,
Filed in court today be written with the records.
we have not received any reply to this.
Learned advocate representing the petitioners seek extension of time for filing the reply. What is the issue about?
My lord, the fresher candidates in second SLST 2025, they are challenging the rule, the prior teaching experience, and the appointment after expiry of panel in respect of 2016 recruitment process.
All right. Release the matter for further consideration on 23rd of March. Stop. Reply shall be prepared and circulated by 13th of March.
Lordship, I am appearing for the CAN 2 and CAN 7 applicant. It has been admitted. I'd also wish to file the opposition to the same. We have been granted liberty.
Serve copy upon the
Oh,
petition.
I have, sir.
If it is in opposition by the applicants in Can 7 and 8 for that. File report be written with the records.
In item number 58.
Item number?
58.
If 58, my lord, we are filing an opposition, my lord.
Is that the opposition?
My lord,
The opposition.
can this immediately in item 6.
It is impossible.
The
The writ petition is not so voluminous. The opposition is more voluminous.
Kindly visualize our predicament, my lord.
Your predicament, what is your
It is
predicament?
at stake. We have annexed every details, every charge sheet, my lord.
No, whatever is there in the earlier proceedings, if you add everything, then it will go on, the volume will go on increasing.
Since they have challenged, they have saying that after second counseling, all are tainted, my lord. That is why we have to annex the charge sheet of the CBI, my lord. And with regard to that process, my lord, whatever order has been passed by our High Court and the Supreme Court, we have annexed all the. My lord, let
No,
it be taken on
everything is
record.
there. You will go on multiplying documents.
No, my lord,
No, you remove those
repetition.
documents. You remove the documents which are already on record, and only those documents which are not on record you can file.
Perhaps the charge sheet is not on record, my lord.
What will the court do with the charge sheet?
In the charge sheet, my lord, CBI has stated that only the 8 counseling is after the expiry of penalty. Yes. Well, my lord, we are relying on that.
Okay,
We are relying on that.
What the CBI is saying is not important. The dates are there.
Well, date.
It's published in the
12th,
commission's
2019.
website.
Well,
It
date.
is there in the commission's website.
Subject to lawsuit
why?
kind consideration, my lord, in the commission. My lord,
Accept that
subject
copy.
to lawsuit kind consideration, my lord, in the commission's website, my lord, that nothing is there, my lord. That is why we are relying upon the note
Nothing.
submitted before the Supreme
I am not
Court as a charge
accepting. I am not accepting your opposition. You prepare a better one and
file
file.
opposition only the opposition part and not the annexures, my lord. Then
And then you mention about all those things, and then at the time of hearing, where from will you get those copies?
my lord,
Prepare
kindly-
it. Do it and then come. Call 59.
then I shall
Nothing.
seek your lordship's leave to produce these documents if necessary. my lord.
If necessary, and new documents will be produced. Nothing. Let us see.
My lord, I seek time to file reply to this opposition, my lord.
Which opposition? This opposition the court is not accepting. No. 59.
May I file a fresh opposition?
Prepare it. Do not annex all these documents which are immaterial. Please exercise your discretion to find out which is required, which is not required. Only because your client has come does not mean you
That,
have to
my lord, we
prepare.
have annexed the charge sheet. That is why this become voluminous. my lord.
And only because your client is in service does not mean that you are going to spend so much of money for preparing all these photocopies.
My lord,
Don't do that.
my lord, our life is at stake, my lord. If your lordship holds, my lord,
Nothing
against
doing.
us, my lord, then,
Yes, call the next one.
then my lord, we shall file a fresh opposition.
Yes, 59.
59, my lord, I'm appearing on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes.
My lord, on last occasion, time has been prayed for the intervention. The intervention has been allowed in the division bench, and it has been fixed on Thursday, my lord.
This Thursday?
Yes, my lord.
All right.
Kindly fix another date.
On the prayer of the learned advocate representing the petitioner, citing pendency of the appeal, release the matter for further consideration on 2nd March.
2nd March.